Side. Side angle side, again, is a shortcut for showing us two triangles are congruent in a sort of way. That's what we could call it. And it happens when you have two sides, two sides of one triangle, congruent to two sides of another triangle, and the angle included between those sides. So here's my two sides. Notice they create that angle. The angle is between them. Okay. And here again, there's my congruent sides. The angle is included between them. Okay, that is side, angle, side, because if you were to write in order, here we have a congruent side, a congruent angle, and a congruent side. Notice the angle is between the two sides, just like the A is between the two S's in its name. Again, this is a way we can prove that two triangles are congruent. Okay, considering triangles PRQ and PSQ, what additional piece of information would help you prove that PRQ, okay, the triangle on the left, and PSQ, the triangle on the right, are congruent by side, angle, side? So what I need to do here is ensure that I have a congruent side, congruent angle, congruent side. Okay, well, what do I have marked? The only thing marked on the figure is a pair of congruent angles. So I know I definitely have the A part. Okay, is there anything else from the figure that I can assume is true, even though it's not marked? And there is one thing. Notice they share this side. PQ is part of both triangles, and that side is going to be congruent to itself automatically because it's exactly the same line. So that I know is true. Okay, so far what do I have just by given information and observations? Okay, I have a side and an angle. Okay, so I have a congruent side here, a congruent angle here. To use side, angle, side, where is that other, we need one more congruent side. Where is it going to have to be? Can it be this one, or does it need to be this one? Well, we want our angle to be in between our two sides, or created by our two sides. And notice if I use this side over here, that's not going to happen. It's not with my angle. Okay, so what we need to know, our one other piece of information that would make this true, is if RP is congruent to PS. Because notice then I would have side, angle, side for this triangle, and side, angle, side for this triangle. So the one other piece of information I needed to know was that RP was congruent to PS. They gave me the angle, and I know because they shared this side was congruent, but they would have to tell me this pair was congruent also. It could not be this pair down here because notice I don't know the angle there. Okay, so that doesn't give me side, angle, side. It has to be that specific pair of sides that we know is congruent.